how to create your look-alike talking cartoon character or 3D character like so.
Hi guys, my name is Okobuchi. So I want to teach you how to create an avatar like this that talks, move, and introduce your videos for you. If you're scared of the camera, you're shy of the camera, but you just want an avatar or you want to create faceless content and you want an avatar to do an intro for you, let me teach you how to create it step by step. Welcome.
So this look-alike 3D cartoon character can actually be your intro video. You can use it for your intro video without any copyright. I'll be teaching you how to create it step by step, how to get a cartoon character, how to make it to talk, how to get it to a video, how to add the voice notes, and anyhow you want to add it. Please do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize on social media platform, how to edit videos, and how to work with every AI tool. Let's go. Let me teach you how to do this for a faceless channel. Just use it for your faceless channel to do your intro video before you get into whatever thing you're doing. Let's go.
So first thing first, what you need to do first is you go to ChatGPT because you need to get your image. Now I'll click on ChatGPT and I open. Once you get to ChatGPT like so, you click on the plus button down here. It takes you to your gallery. Now I'll click on the plus button to bring in an image. Once I click the save photo, I click on photo. It takes me to my gallery. Then I swap and I go look for the image I want to use. Okay. So let's say I'll get this image. I click on it. I click add. This image appears here on ChatGPT. Now I'll tell ChatGPT to create. I'll tell them to generate a 3D cartoon character. Yeah, a 3D female cartoon character. Please always specify female cartoon character, age 20 years old. Make it 20 years old. 20 years old. I already said generate a 3D female cartoon character from that image, age 20 years old, with red short afro hair, sitting in a YouTube studio with backlights, wearing a hoodie, with the name Wokobuche printed in front. Now I'll click on generate. Okay, I'll click on generate and I wait. Waiting for this to generate. Let's just wait. So this is the image we got from ChatGPT, which is super good, you know. Now what I'll do is I'll click here. I'll just click here and I save this image, okay? Click image and save. Now after saving this image, the next thing we need to do is we need to go get this image talking. But before we get this image to talk, let's get the voice note. Now I'll swap up and I go to ElevenLabs. I'll go to ElevenLabs. Let's go to the ElevenLabs. Now, when you open your ElevenLabs, this is how it looks like. Okay. So you have ElevenLabs. You can actually customize your voice. You can do whatever you want to do. If you go to the homepage, you have voice changer, sound effects, a lot of different ones, studio. But now we are clicking on text to speech. And once you click on text to speech, it opens like this. Now you type. Let me just paste what I typed because I don't want us to stay here for long. Say, hello, my name is Okobuche and this is my avatar. Today, I will be teaching you how to get this avatar talking. Okay. How to get this avatar talking and moving its hands. Okay. So moving its hands and head. Let's just put it like that. Okay. Now we have this. All we need to do is click on done. Then down here, you can see we value your privacy. So you can actually reject this, customize all, but I'll just reject all for now. Yeah, because I don't need that. Now you come down here where it says speech, generate speech. Then you see Rachel. I'll click on Rachel. When you click on Rachel, it gives you many options of different voices, okay? So right here, you can choose any voice of your choice. There are different ones. You have Alice. And you can listen to them how they play before you get to choose them. So you click the one that you want. Brian. Let's see. I think I'll go with Alice. Okay. So once I choose Alice, I'll just exit and go down and click on generate.
Hello, my name is Wakabuchi, and this is my avatar. Today I will be teaching how to get this avatar.
Now we have it done. All you need to do is down here where you see my name is down beside the play button, you see a save button. You click and save that. And you save that, you save it to your file. Okay? Now when you're done saving this to your file, the next thing you need to do is you go back, which is the next app where you're going to turn your avatar into a video or make your avatar talk. Let's go to Hedra. And this, I'll do it here again on the browser. Okay? So this is the Hedra, the Hedra app, Hedra AI. This is it here. I will click on it. Once you click on it, it opens like this. Okay? They say try now. Click on try now. And then you sign up with your, I'll reject all that. Sign up with your Google account. I'll click on Google account. I'll click on Google account and I choose my Google account that I want. Once you choose the Google account that you want, you wait for it to generate. So you have it here. Now they say try now. You click. Once you click, it opens like so. Okay? Now you have create a video with character. So once they say create a video with character, here you have character, you have audio script. Okay? Now where it says character, I'll click the plus. So create image, capture image, upload image. I'll click on upload image because I already have my image. But if you don't have an image, you can as well create an image from here. So I'll click on photo library. Once I click on photo library, I'll bring in that photo we generated and then I click on done. So this photo is here now. We have the photo here. Now where it says plus script, okay? Add your script, your audio script. I'll click there. And you see they say generate speech, record speech, upload speech. Okay? Upload audio, sorry. Record audio, upload audio. Now here, you can record your audio. You can upload that audio. If you click on upload down here, it will take you to your file. You bring that audio you made from ElevenLabs and you bring it in. Okay? If you don't want to do that, let me cancel. If you don't want to do that, you click on the plus where it says record audio. You click on record audio. Now you have it like this, and then you click, then you start recording. So they say press here to record. Now I'll press and I'll record. Maybe you guys will not hear because I'll be using the mic to record, and then I'll get back. So just a minute, let me record. Now it says allow the Hedra.com who would like to access the mic. Yes, let's allow them to access our mic.
So at this point, I was actually recording and talking because I wanted to say what I want my avatar to say. So you need to be explicit. Say what you want your avatar to say in your own words with your own voice. So you'll be able to clone your voice to do this. Okay? Now I was recording. And after you're done recording, which is now, you can see the red there. Now that red actually shows that I am supposed to record just 20 seconds, not more than 20 seconds. But if I pay for this app, I can record for more than 20 seconds, okay? But you can use the free version for as long as you want. There's no copyright. No copyright at all. Now I'll just reduce that a little bit, make it to 17 seconds.
Okay. So once you have your audio like this, you've recorded your audio. First thing first, if this audio is the one you recorded from ElevenLabs, you can make it longer. But if this audio is something you're recording yourself, like your own voice, you're cloning your voice, you only have 20 seconds for free. Okay, you can only use it 20 seconds for free. And if you want to pay for the app, you can pay it for $10 to use for as long as you want and do your longer videos. But you can use this app for free without any copyright. Yes. Now, when you're done with your audio, what you need to do is down here, it says background noise remover. I'll click and it turns to remove the background noise. That is, if you actually recorded your own voice and you feel like the background was noisy, you take it out from there. Now, when you're done doing this, the next thing you do is where it says add to video. You click on add to video. When you add it to video, you have it here. Okay. Now, if you want to change the image dimension to YouTube, where you see this 16.9. You can see Hedra character 3. You can see the 16.9. You click on it. Now you have the 1.1. You have the 16.9 for YouTube and the 9.16 for TikTok. So I'll be choosing the 16.9 for YouTube, okay? When you're done, where it is here, the prompt. Let me X that because that was what I actually had in already. So there you see, prompt your character with emotions and gestures. Now I'll say, make the character talk. No, I'll make the character do hand gestures. Okay, hand gestures while talking. Okay. Now here they said prompt. So you're the one giving this avatar directives. You can tell the avatar you can prompt them, make the avatar get up, go behind the shelf, pick up a book, then sit down back and continue talking. Yes, anything you ask this avatar to do, it will do it. Just type it there in the prompt box. When you're done, you click on the generate button inside the pink box or the orange box. I don't know that color. You click on it and you wait for it to generate. Now I clicked and they're asking me to wait. So you can wait for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on how many people are generating at that time. Okay. So you wait. Now wait for this. When it's done generating, I'll bring it up for you guys to see. Please do not forget to subscribe at this point. Do not forget to share and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you. So yeah, this tool, I said you can use it without copyright. So yep, we'll wait for it to generate and then I'll come back and show you the result. Okay guys, so we did the generation and it's done. So here we are. I'll click on it now so you get to see the mouth movement and everything, okay? So let's play this video and see. Hi, my name is Wokobuchi. This is my avatar. I know it is very difficult for some of you to actually create talking avatar these days. Everybody wants to create faceless content, but they don't want to show their face. So this is a simple way of creating your talking avatar from scratch. Today, I'll be teaching you how to generate this image, So you guys, you get it, right? This is, I don't know how to put it. Like the feeling is it's just too much. This is a perfect avatar that talks, moves, smiles. The reality, like the realistic part of it is breathtaking. So if you want, this is Hedra AI, Hydra. Okay, this is Hedra AI. You all come here and come generate your images, turn them into avatars, talking avatars. And again, if you feel like you want to invest in something that's going to help you do the talking for a longer video, please, you should try this because it is good. It's long. It gives you up to 20 seconds and more than 20 seconds as well. So yes, you can get this and get your avatar talking, okay? It is good. I like it. And before now, it was not this perfect, but they've upgraded to the TED, like the Hidden TED, and it's super, super good now. So yeah, my advice, go into it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you about.